Alright everyone, in today's episode we want to show you a very simple Italian finger food or antipasti, the bruschetta. The bruschetta, as we prepare it, is a type of garlic bread with fresh tomatoes on top of it. We begin with 2 cloves of garlic. First, we peel both. Then, we cut one of them in rough pieces and put them aside. We cut the second clove of garlic in very fine pieces and give them in a bowl. We put the rough garlic in a pan and add some oil to the pan. For the true Italian taste, we recommend olive oil. We go on with 250 gram fresh tomatoes. These we also cut into rough pieces and add them to the bowl with the fine cut garlic. We also add a tablespoon of oil to our bowl and spice everything with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now we mix everything well and place our bowl for 1 hour, covered in the fridge. While the tomato mixture is marinating in the fridge, we start heating the pan with the oil and garlic. We also add 8 slices of white bread to that pan. Ciabatta is the best suited bread for this purpose. We roast the bread until it gets a beautiful golden brown color. Then we turn the slice around and roast the other side for around 1 minute. We also add some pepper to the already roasted side. After that, we place the bread slices in a preheat oven for 2 till 3 minutes. Roast the bread in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius until it gets crispy, but not too dry. When our ciabatta slices are ready, we need our tomato mixture from the fridge. We place a tablespoon of the tomatoes on every ciabatta slice. Now we also cut a few branches of basil and 25 grams parmesan cheese and sprinkle both over our bruschetta. Now they are ready to enjoy. We hope you like this very fast and simple finger food, which is especially well suited for the summertime. Thanks for watching our videos and don't forget to subscribe if you are new on our channel. We wish you a very nice day. Over and out.